In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add staff on Square Appointments. Whether you're expanding your business or planning to manage your team more efficiently, Square Appointments offers a streamlined way to keep everyone organized. Let's dive right in and simplify the process for you. To get started, you'll need to visit Square's official website. It's the doorway to powering your entire business with Square's suite of tools and services. Once there, the first step is to sign in to your Square account. Look for the sign in option, which should be prominently displayed on the site's main page. After clicking on sign in, you'll be prompted to type in your email address. Take a moment to ensure you're entering the email associated with your Square account to avoid any access issues. Next, you'll need to type in your password. Make sure you enter it correctly to smoothly sign into your account. If you happen to forget your password, Square provides simple steps to recover it, so do not worry. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate your way to the Square dashboard. This is your control center where you can access various features and settings related to your Square account. The dashboard's user-friendly interface makes it easy to manage your business's financials, appointments, and inventory right at your fingertips. Now look for the staff and payroll option in your dashboard. This section is dedicated to managing your team and payroll settings. In Staff and Payroll, click on Team. This brings you into the Team Management area where you can view and manage all your current team members. To add a new team member, click on Add Team Member. You'll be directed to a new screen where you can start the process of adding a staff member to your Square Appointments. The first piece of information you'll need to provide is the preferred name of your staff member. This is the name they'll be known by within your Square account. It's important for personalization and to ensure smoother internal communications. Next, you'll input their last name, followed by their phone number if available. Adding a phone number is not mandatory, but it can be useful for quickly contacting your staff member when needed. The next field to fill out is their email address. This is a crucial step because the email address will be used by Square to communicate important information directly to them. Be sure to double check that the email address is correct to avoid any communication mishaps. After entering the basic information, click on Next to proceed. Now you'll assign a primary job to your new team member. Square allows you to either create a new job title specifically for this staff member or select from existing job titles previously set up. This helps in categorizing your staff based on their responsibilities. Decide whether this staff member will be paid hourly or a salary. This is an essential part of setting up their payroll. After deciding, type in their pay rate. It's important to ensure this information is accurate to keep your payroll streamlined and trouble-free. After setting up their compensation, click Next to move on to permissions. Here you can customize what access and permissions this new staff member will have within your Square account. Select the options that align with their role and responsibilities. Be mindful in assigning permissions to protect sensitive business information and maintain operational security. With the permissions set, click on Next. You're almost done. The final step is to review all the information you've inputted and then click on Done to officially add your new team member to your Square Appointments. Congratulations! You've successfully added a new staff member to your Square Appointments. This addition will not only help in better organizing your appointments, but also in managing your team's roles and responsibilities more efficiently. Remember, as your business grows and evolves, you can always come back to add more members or adjust the existing staff details according to your changing needs. Square's intuitive interface makes these adjustments straightforward and hassle-free. Thank you for following along with this guide. Now that you know how to add staff on Square Appointments, you're well on your way to managing your team more effectively. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Square's support is always ready to help. Here's to the continued success and growth of your business.